Tough enough to take on any terrain, built for minimum maintenance and maximum performance. Get behind the commercial-grade performance of Gravely ProWalk. Intuitive steering is easy to learn and improves handling precision for users of any level, while ergonomic controls lessen fatigue. The exclusive constant belt tension system maintains constant belt tension, keeping the blade tip speed and cutting results consistent. A 10-gauge, all-steel, fully fabricated deck provides industrial strength peace of mind. A wide wheelbase delivers confidence, control, and increased hillside stability. Control your cutting precision in quarter-inch increments. Prevent potential damage to the surrounding environment with a flip-up side discharge chute. And choose from our 4 handlebar height positions to comfortably accommodate operators of any size. Make work feel like a walk in the park with the professional performance of ProWalk. Only from Gravely.